In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a RIA money transfer account in 2025. A quick and easy guide for anyone looking to get started. If you want to send money abroad, one of the efficient ways is through RIA money transfer. Let's walk through the process step by step to help you set up your account smoothly. To start, head over to your preferred web browser, simply search for RIA Money Transfer or visit their official website directly by typing in riamoneytransfer.com in the address bar. This will take you to their homepage where you get an overview of their services and options. Once you're on their website, the first thing you need to do is check if RIA services are available in your country. This is crucial because RIA doesn't operate in some regions, so it's important to ensure you can proceed before going further. After confirming your location, you'll notice prompts asking you to select your country. Go ahead and choose the appropriate option for where you're accessing the service. This step is straightforward but essential as it customizes your experience based on the regulations and currency requirements of your region. Next, the magic begins. It's time to register. You'll see a prominent register button on the home page. Click on it to initiate the registration process. This will lead you to a new page where you'll get an option to continue with your registration journey. Click continue to proceed. You're making great progress. Now, you have to go through the registration steps. RIA will guide you through this process, which includes entering your personal information, creating a secure password, and verifying your identity. It's critical to provide accurate details to avoid any future hindrances in using your account. Be sure to have your identification document ready, as you might need it to complete your registration. As you follow each step laid out by RIA, take your time to go through their terms and conditions, privacy policy, and any relevant information provided. It's always a good idea to understand what you agree to when signing up for an online service. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and confirmed your details, you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to check your inbox and verify your email address to fully activate your account. And there you have it. You now have a RIA money transfer account ready to use. By completing these steps, you've opened up the door to a world of convenient money transfers. Remember to explore the features available to you, such as tracking your transfers, accessing customer support, and more. I hope this guide helps you get started with your RIA money transfer account easily and efficiently. Happy transferring!